Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to get more coins in Blooket without cheating. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go to the Discover section on the top left side, here in the middle. And after that, you should go to this option right here, Blooket. Then you want to answer these questions just right here. And here, as you can see, you can simply click on Show All Answers in order to show all the answers, as you can see. And now from there, you want to go and click on Play Solo. Then you want to go and click on Study, then click on Play. And now you want to click on Play. Then you want to answer anything till you get here correct, just like so. You can set the auto clicker and it will do all the job without using your hands. So in order to get 500 coins, you will need to go through 300 rounds. And if you want to get 1000, you'll need to go through 600 rounds. So this will be so easy and simple if you use an auto clicker. And now, once you are done with that, you can simply click on End Now on the top right side. Go and click on Yes. Then you can spin the daily wheel as you can want with your coins. So as you can see, I have got this. So this is actually the method, and I hope it was useful to you all, guys, and I hope you make good use of it. And thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.